Students, today I would talk about Blake Mountain Managerial Grid. What do we mean by Blake Mountain Managerial Grid? It's a grid that defines the type of managerialship, whether the manager is result oriented or he is people oriented. Let's discuss this in detail. What do we mean by Blake Mountain Managerial Grid? This is a grid wherein the managers are classified as people who are concerned for whether they are concerned for people or whether they are concerned for result. And as I've already told, what do I mean by concern for people? This is the degree to which the leadership considers team members, their interests, their areas of personal development. These things are of major concern for the people, for the managers. Whenever they make any decision, they are concerned about the people. There are other type of people who are concerned for results, and there are other type of the third category of people who are mix and match of people orientation as well as result orientation depending on the situation. So these are four type of people. One is like country club management. These people are high on these type of managers are high on people and low on results. They are not that bothered about results, but they are very for them people are important. For team management, these people are like these type of managers are concerned about productivity as well as they are concerned about people. The improvised management, they are not that concerned about people, they are not concerned about the results also. And producer perish management, these people are highly concerned about the results, they are very low on people. So this is a mix and match. For example, if a manager is concerned about if a manager treats everybody equally, if he rewards the best performers with free lunches, and if he is genuinely concerned about the team's well-being, what do you think he is? He is concerned about people. But at the same time, when it comes to work, he efficiently manages the milestones, and in case he needs to call people on weekends, he can call them out on weekends also. So he is concerned about the results also. So he is like in middle. He can change as per the situation. If the need of the hour is to make people work on weekends, he can make the people work on weekends also. So it's not like one person who is totally concerned for people might not be concerned for results. So this is a grid that classifies people, that classifies the type of people involved in the role. This is the Blake Mountain Managerial Grid. Okay. So this is all about the managerial grid. Thank you, students.